Okay, hello dear friends. So here are some tulips. I want to make this tulip flower. How we do it? This one I got it wrong side. It becomes a little little 粽子, Chinese dumpling kind of thing, Chinese sweet rice dumpling. Anyway, this when you make it right wrong, you actually discover and develop some new designs. It's fun. Let's do it right way this time. So I have a piece of paper. Are you seeing it clearly? That's good. So this is the paper. One side has design, the other side is the backing paper. We will call this wrong side, and we call this design side. Nothing wrong with this red side. We just call it design side and wrong side. Okay. So I want the flower has the design outside. You make a design taco. Open up. Design taco. Open up. Turn around. Wrong hot dog. Open up. Wrong hot dog. We all know how to press it, right? A diamond shape. Press. You get a pyramid. Design pyramid. One leg up. Another leg up. We do one side, turn it around, the other side. One leg up, another leg up. We are almost there. Okay, so we have a teeny tiny small square. This time we need to flip only one of the tip to this side, and on the bottom flip this tip to the other side. So there is no opening. Here we have opening. No. We want to have a smooth face. Flip a little bit. This is not to the top, not exactly to the top. I think it's a personal choice how much you want to open it up. I will open up just a quarter of it, a fifth of it, and press it up. The same thing I will do on the other side. It does not have to be perfect for this particular design. And then we tuck this one in. Hello, Gugu. It's not easy to tuck it in. Tuck it in. Oh, that's good. That's good. We have tucked it in. Press it. Press it. Now we need to do the back side. This time we do the back side. We already have something to follow around. Hello, Gugu. That's my cat. Okay, this side, press it, and then tuck it in. You can tuck from this side. You can tuck from the other side. This is not there is not a rule which one you can tuck. Sometimes I use a toothpick to open up. Tuck it in. Voila, we are good. This time we can press a little bit. And here is a hole. We need to blow it and open it up. I will do it. You can put your hand on this side to make sure it does not blow away. Ooh, I'm good. This time I am good. Very impressed by myself. So this is roughly the shape, but on the top you want to turn it a little bit, the tip. Turn it a little bit. I turn just a little bit, very nicely, very softly, tenderly. Okay. Now I turn it. Oh, not so easy because you can loosen up a little bit before you turn it. Okay. Now let's come back. You can use your hand, press a little bit to make the shape better. Now I will show you. That one is too thin. The toothpick seems too thin. And you can use a pencil or something just the right size. For this size, I think this pen refill will be good. And it's a little bit. In TikTok movie, in TikTok video, or someone does it very quick, it seems magical. But the truth is that it does take time and effort. Okay, this is not the right. Okay, you can always go back to adjust a little bit. Okay, now it's a little bit better. Now it looks so much better, right? Next time, you are curious. It's Cuckoo who stopped our recording. Minu, Minu. Okay, let's continue. My family is having big fun with the cat. Okay, so that's okay. So that's about the right size. You can adjust a little bit, make it open more or open less, not too much more, right? And my personal idea, I think the same uniform color will be better. For example, pink, orange, yellow, red, this kind of more looks like a flower. But yesterday I passed by my neighborhood. There was one family had black tulip, not origami, black tulip. It looks so mysterious. It's Halloween season. Maybe we can make some black tulip. Enjoy.